Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Mermaid Scales Stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, and how to work in the back loops. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 6 plus 2. I have already made 26 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Now we're going to get into the sequence for this row. You're going to skip 2 chains. Into this next one, make 5 double crochet. Skip 2 chains, into this next one, 1 single crochet. Then we're going to start repeating from skipping these 2 chains here. So you're going to skip 2 chains, into this next chain, make 5 double crochet. Skip 2 chains, into this next one, single crochet. Skip 2 chains, into this next chain, 5 double crochet. Skip 2 chains, into this next one, 1 single crochet. Skip 2 chains, into this next one, 5 double crochet. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 3 chains left. Skip 2, then into the last chain of this row, make 1 single crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. These 3 chains count as a double crochet. Into the first stitch of this row, we're going to be working 2 double crochet into the back loop of that stitch. So to find the back loop, you're going to turn your work where you're looking at the top of it. This loop right here at the back of your stitch is going to be the back loop. So I'm going to make 2 double crochet into that stitch, but only using this back loop. That's 1 and 2. Now you're going to skip 2 stitches. Into this next one, you're going to make a single crochet. Then you're going to skip 2 stitches. Into this next stitch, you're going to be using the back loop, and you're going to make 5 double crochet into that stitch, only using that back loop. And that's how things are looking so far. So if you're familiar with the classic shell stitch, I already have a video on how to make that stitch. This stitch is essentially the same thing. It's the same pattern of the stitch. We're just adding this back loop element to it. You're now going to start repeating from here. You're going to skip 2 stitches. Into this next one, single crochet. Then you're going to skip 2 stitches. Into this next one, into that back loop, you're going to make 5 double crochet. Skip 2 stitches. Into this next one, single crochet. Skip 2 stitches. Into this next one, 5 double crochet, only using that back loop. Skip 2 stitches. Into this next one, single crochet. Now we're going to be skipping the next 2 stitches and we're going to be working into this last stitch using that back loop. Into the back loop of this last stitch, you're going to make 3 double crochet. That's how that is looking. And that's going to match the beginning of our row where we made these chains that count as a double crochet and then 2 double crochet into the back loop. So it's going to match on either side. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of this row, make 1 single crochet. Now we're going to get into our sequence for this row. It's going to be the same as row 2. This row is just going to start and end differently, but the middle of the rows are going to stay the same. You're going to skip 2 stitches. Into the back loop of this next one, you're going to make 5 double crochet. Skip 2 stitches. Into this next one, single crochet. Skip 2 stitches. Into the back loop of this next one, 5 double crochet. Skip 2 stitches. Into this next one, single crochet. Skip 2 stitches. Into the back loop of this next one, 5 double crochet. Skip 2 stitches. Into this next one, single crochet. Skip 2 stitches. Into the back loop of this next one, 5 double crochet. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 3 stitches left. These chains over here counted as a double crochet. So you're going to skip 2 stitches like we had been doing. Then into the top of these last chains that are counting as a double crochet, you're going to make a single crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the mermaid scales stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.